Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us learn 50 vehicle names together. This is a car. This is bus. This is a bicycle. This is a truck. This is a motorcycle. This is a scooter. This is a taxi. This is an ambulance. This is a fire truck. This is a police car. This is a train. This is airplane. This is helicopter. This is boat. This is sheep. This is submarine. This is a tractor. This is a van. This is a pickup truck. This is a garbage truck. This is a cement mixer. This is a bulldozer. This is a crane. This is an excavator. This is a skateboard. This is rollerblades. This is cable car. This is tram. This is trolley bus. This is limousine. This is convertible. This is race car. This is camper van. This is jet ski. This is hot air balloon. This is canoe. This is ferry. This is sailboat. This is rowboat. This is golf cart. This is tow truck. This is tank. This is forklift. This is snowmobile. This is rickshaw. This is moped. This is motorhome. This is monster truck. This is Segway. This is drone. That is a long list of all land, air and water vehicles. I hope you enjoyed all these videos. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time for more fun videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun activities with us. Bye bye.